Hi dolls and gents, I am back with a new video for you guys. I'm gonna do a mini haul. I went to Sephora today and I planned on reviewing a different foundation, but as you can tell from the title, I am reviewing the new KVD Good Apple Serum Foundation. And they did send me this foundation in PR, but I am not obligated to do a video on this foundation. And this is my own honest first impression of this foundation. I don't want to talk too long. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, click that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell so you're notified as soon as your girl posts a new video. I will leave timestamps down below just in case you're not interested in the mini haul and you want to hop straight into the demo of this foundation. Go ahead and check out all the timestamps down below. And if you want to get into this haul and first impression on this foundation, y'all know what to do. Stay tuned. So I just got back from Sephora. I wanted to do a first impression demo of the Lady Gaga House Lab foundation, but I got something else in the mail, y'all. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do what I got in the mail because I literally looked to see if anyone has done a video on this new foundation and no one has, and it's not out yet. So I'm thinking y'all might want that first because this has been out for a minute, but I'm still gonna do a video on this. It's just gonna be next. So if you want to see a video on this, thumbs up this video, let me know in the comment section down below and I will get that one going. But I want to show you what I picked up from Sephora too, because my skin has been acting silly and I don't know why I like to try new products when the old products are working just fine, sis. What am I doing? I'm playing games with my skin. I don't need to do that, okay? My skin has been acting crazy. I wanted to get some products that I ran out of that have worked for me in the past because my skin has been like breaking out and I've not been loving it. So I picked up the Murad Clarifying Toner. This toner is the bomb. If you've been on the hunt for a bomb toner and you have acne prone skin, this feels so cooling on the skin and it literally helps with my breakouts. I love this. I also picked up the Glow Recipe Strawberry Smooth BHA and AHA Salicylic Serum, and y'all have seen me talk about this a million times. I showed y'all when it was out and I didn't want to purchase a new one. I was being cheap, but my skin was like, girl, you better go pick up a bottle right now. So that's what I did. This will stay in my collection forever. If you pick up anything, pick this baby up. It is so good. When I tell you it keeps my breakouts at bay and it resurfaces my skin never looks better with this product. And I know that for a fact because I have not had it, and ever since I have not had it, my skin has been acting the up. I also picked up the Innisfree Pore Clearing Clay Mask, and I'm excited to try this. All the reviews online were bomb for this, and like I said, my skin's been acting up, so every product that I got is pretty much for acne or for like dealing with hyperpigmentation type things. So yeah, can't wait to try this out. If you've used this, let me know what you think about it. And then I picked up the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm in the shade Gummy Bear. Y'all, this smells literally like a grape Jolly Rancher. It smells so good. I cheated. I already used it on my lips. I just had to try it out. Definitely pick this up. I love their lip mask, and this has the same consistency, but it's in a bottle a little bit less thick. And then I picked up two of the Inky List treatments. The first one is the Succinic Acid Acne Treatment, and this one is for blemishes. It's supposed to help with breakouts and acne, and it has really good reviews on the website. And this has salicylic acid in it, so cannot wait to try that out. And then I also picked up the Mandelic Acid treatment, and this one is for hyperpigmentation on your skin. It helps to reduce it, so we'll see how this works. If you tried either one of those, let me know what you think. And then they also gave me two samples. These are the Olaplex #3 Hair Perfectors. I will be trying these out. Thank you, Sephora. Little haul. I know this is a foundation review, but I just wanted to share the little haul that I got and just some skincare stuff because I'm so into skincare and I will always advocate for taking care of your skin, baby, because you only get one skin. We can play with makeup all day, every day, but let's take care of that skin underneath, okay? So I know some of y'all probably skipped to this point, and that's okay. So I got this mailer today, and I was like, what is this? This is the KVD Good Apple Full Coverage Serum Foundation, y'all. So this is brand new. It's not out in stores yet. It comes out on February 6th in stores. So I wanted to do like a first impression demo before it comes out so you can decide if you would like to pick it up or not. Here is what the mailer looks like. The brand did send me this foundation, but I'm not in any obligation to do a review on it, so it is going to be completely honest. And here is what the mailer looks like. They just sent me one shade, so I hope that this color matches me, y'all, or I might have to go to the store and pick up the right shade when it comes out. It will be available at Sephora, Ulta, and the KVD website. If you're not familiar with KVD, it used to be Kat Von D. It is no longer associated with Kat Von D, and it's actually underneath the Kendo brand umbrella now. And some other Kendo brands are Fenty Beauty, which y'all love. Also Ole Henriksen if you're into skin. So yeah, I don't want to get into like the drama and the gossip of that, but let's go ahead and review this foundation. So they did send me like a little sponge. I don't know if this is for the primer or the foundation, but I won't be using this because I never use a sponge like this for my foundation, but it's possible that it works good with the foundation. I'm just not sure, y'all, to be honest. I'm talking forever today. Let's go ahead and get into this. Come closer, baby, come closer. All right, much better. We are up close and personal now. So here is a close-up of the foundation. It's supposed to be a full coverage serum foundation. So it's supposed to feel light, but it still gives bomb coverage. We're gonna see how that goes. They sent me the shade Deep 084. So I'm gonna just shake the bottle up right now. Let's go ahead and apply this primer. This is the KVD Pore-Refining Lock-It Primer. Oh, okay. It feels really nice and smooth, and it's honestly getting rid of any pores. I don't have large pores, but it is getting rid of the pores that I do have. It's really smoothing my skin out. I'm gonna do this half of my face with a beauty blender. I've already got it ready to go. So I'm putting a pump on the back of my hand. Hopefully this color works, y'all. And I'm going to apply it with my fingers. And then I'm going to take my beauty blender and just blend it. Oh, okay. It's blending really nice, y'all. I know some of you prefer applying your foundation with a beauty blender. I personally prefer applying my foundation with a brush, but I like to do both so you can see how it's gonna look. So here is one pump of foundation. I'll have to take a look at the website and see if there's something that would match me a little better. This one is a pretty good match. So off the bat, it does feel more of like a satin foundation. It's not luminous, it's not dewy, but it's not quite matte either. It's a nice finish. If you're someone who has a lot of texture on your skin, I think you're gonna like this foundation because it's not heavy, but it covers your imperfections. And because it's not luminous, it's not going to enhance your imperfections. Like you see, I've got these little bumps, y'all, on my face right now. So yeah, no foundation. Let's go ahead and do the other side with a brush, and I'm going to use the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. I love applying foundation with a brush, y'all. I love it. So I would say this foundation is probably like a shade darker than my usual skin color. If you wear the foundation shade that I normally wear, don't get this shade. It's not quite right. I'll have to look at the website and see which shade I think would be the best, because like I said, the brand sent me this. They probably just sent me a shade that they thought would match me. I prefer this foundation with a brush. I'm biased. I just prefer to apply my foundations with a brush. It just gives like a flawless look. I said that Makeup by Mario felt like nothing on the skin. This literally feels like nothing. I cannot feel this foundation at all. The Makeup by Mario is a luminous finish. This one is like a satin demi matte foundation. This foundation does look really nice on the skin. So the color of this foundation is throwing me off, y'all. It really is. I really want to give this foundation a fair shot, but the color is not right. But let me apply the rest of my makeup and let's see what I think about it. So I finished my full face and I have to say that it doesn't look bad, but I just think that the foundation shade is throwing me off and it's giving me a more dull look than I'm used to. I'm used to a more golden type foundation for my skin color, probably more of like a neutral shade, and I prefer more yellow warm shades for my skin personally. It's kind of dulled my complexion out. Now I was able to go in with my bronzer, highlighter, concealer to kind of add back like some dimension and warmth to my skin, but overall like the finish on my face looks really good. The coverage on my skin looks really good. It's just the shade that's throwing me off. So for right now, we're gonna put this on ice. I'm gonna get my correct shade when this comes out on the 6th, and I'm gonna give y'all my true thoughts because I don't want to give this foundation a thumbs down just because it's not the correct shade. If y'all would like to see more first impression videos, they don't have to be foundations. Let me know what you would like me to review next in the comment section down below, and I will be sure to catch y'all in my next video. Bye. By the way, if you have not already checked out my last first impression foundation video on the Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin Foundation, go ahead and click the box right here, baby.